In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a self-checking quiz on Google Slides. This method is perfect for designing interactive presentations that engage your audience and simplify the process of self-assessment. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not logged in, you'll need to sign in to your Google account to access all the features. This is crucial because all the work we do will be saved directly to your Google Drive, allowing you to access it anytime, anywhere. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see options to create a new presentation. You can either select a blank presentation to start from scratch or choose from the available templates if you have a theme in mind. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll go with a blank presentation to have complete creative control. Next, it's time to create your question slides. Think of these slides as the main content of your quiz. Insert a new slide and format it with the text box tool. Enter your question and include choices if it's a multiple choice format. Remember, clarity is essential. Use bullet points to make options clear and distinct if necessary. Now that your questions are ready, it's time to create answer slides. These slides will give your audience feedback, helping them understand if they've answered correctly or need to try again. Simply add a new slide for each answer and tailor the content to reflect whether the given answer was right or wrong. Color coding these slides can be particularly helpful. Maybe use green for correct answers and red for incorrect ones to make sure the feedback is immediate and noticeable. The next step is one of the most important: creating hyperlinks for navigation. On the question slides, you'll want to hyperlink each answer choice to its respective answer slide. To do this, highlight the answer text, right-click, and select the link option. This will allow you to select the slide you want to navigate to, forming an interactive loop. This self-checking mechanism is what makes the quiz interactive and effective. And there you have it. With a few more tweaks and adjustments to suit your specific needs, your self-checking quiz is ready to go live. Remember, practice and creativity are your best tools when designing such educational aids. Play around with the design, incorporate images or graphics if they align with your quiz, and don't hesitate to experiment to find out what works best in your setting. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!